Miss, I can't breathe.
Megan! Stay where you are! I'm coming!
Miss, I'm scared.
Cover your mouth and stay low!
I can't get out! Please!
Megan! Keep talking to me! Megan!
Miss? Is that the fire alarm?
Miss, what's happening? Should we run outside?
No. Everybody stay calm. Listen to me carefully. Don't panic. Stand up, hold each other's hands, and follow me slowly. Everything will be all right. Stay together. Nobody runs.
Miss, there's smoke. Look over there. Oh no, it's spreading everywhere.
Cover your mouth if possible and stay very close. Don't separate from each other. Keep walking.
Is everyone here?
What is happening right now? That was terrifying.
Stay here. I need to speak with the principal. Everyone remain here. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to talk with the principal. What happened? Do you know anything yet?
Not completely, but I think the fire started in the school kitchen.
Oh no! Did someone call the firefighters?
Yes, they're already coming.
Eddie, did you see Megan?
Megan? Wasn't she beside you?
I thought she was, but after we got outside, I couldn't find her.
No, I didn't see her either.
Megan! Megan, where are you?
Lucy, what happened?
Miss, Megan isn't here.
What do you mean?
She was standing next to me, but after we left the classroom, she disappeared.
Are you certain?
Yes, I'm certain. She's missing. Help. Somebody help me. Miss Mary, where are you? Ah, it's too hot. Somebody please help me. I don't want to die. Please.
What's happening?
One student is gone.
What? Who is missing?
Megan.
Oh no. Where can she be?
I don't know. I have to go back inside and look for her.
No, you cannot go inside. It's far too dangerous.
Miss, look. Megan is over there. She's near the window. She's trying to wave at us.
Oh my God.
She's still trapped inside.
She can't get out. She looks terrified.
I can't wait anymore. Please watch the students. Don't let anyone leave.
No, the smoke is becoming thicker. It's too risky.
I can't stay here doing nothing while she's trapped inside.
The firefighters will be here any second. Just wait. Mary, stop.
Miss Mary, oh no. Please stay safe.
I'm going back in. Megan! Megan, where are you? Megan, answer me! Megan? Keep talking. I'm coming.
Miss, I can't breathe. Miss?
Cover your mouth and stay low!
I can't get out! Please!
Megan! Keep talking to me! Megan!
Oh my God. Megan! Don't fall asleep. Stay awake.
They're here. The firefighters finally arrived.
What's the situation?
There's a fire inside the school, and one student is trapped.
Where exactly are they?
Upstairs, second classroom on the right side, and her teacher went back inside to rescue her.
The teacher went inside too?
Yes.
All right, stay calm. We'll take care of this. You, come with me. We're heading inside. The rest of you start controlling the fire. Visibility is terrible. There's smoke everywhere. Stay close to me. Check every classroom.
This one is empty. Nobody's here.
Move to the next room.
I can hardly see anything.
Stay alert.
We're running out of time. There's too much smoke in here.
Wait. I hear coughing. We're getting closer. Hey, over here. I found them. Let me check. The teacher and the little girl. They're lying on the floor. They're still breathing, but very weak. Quickly, help the teacher stand up.
I've got her.
I'll carry the girl. She's extremely weak. We have to hurry.
Let's get them outside.
They're coming. Megan.
Move back. Give them space.
Bring them over here quickly. She needs oxygen immediately.
You're safe now. Just stay with us.
Is Megan going to be okay?
Yes, she'll be all right. You did an amazing job.
I couldn't leave her inside alone.
If you hadn't covered her face, things could have ended much worse.
Miss Mary, you saved her life.
You're a hero, Mary.
Miss Mary is a hero. I'm so glad you're okay, Megan. I was so frightened yesterday.
Me too. I was frozen. I didn't know what to do.
I'm sorry. I thought you were walking behind me.
It's not your fault. Everything happened too quickly.
How do you feel today, Megan?
Much better now. Thank you for rescuing me.
I only did what was necessary.
You did far more than that. You reacted quickly and saved a child's life.
Thank you very much. We will never thank you enough.
If you hadn't gone back inside.
Please. Anybody would have done the same thing.
She's recovering very well now. There's nothing seriously wrong.
That's wonderful to hear.
For safety reasons, we kept her here for observation. But she'll be able to go home soon.
I'll also contact the school. Everyone was so worried about you.
I'm sorry I caused everyone so much stress.
No, Megan. None of this was your fault.
Yeah, it was simply a frightening situation. I'm just grateful you're safe.
Me too.
Yesterday was very hard, but we stayed brave together.
And we learned an important lesson.
What lesson?
In dangerous moments, staying calm and helping one another can save lives. And nobody gets left behind.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. See you on our next adventure. Bye!